Good morning, my dear students. In the last video, we have seen what are functions and what is relation, what are the types of functions. Function is nothing but if a function is from A to B, for each element in the set A, there should be only one image in the set B. That's what I have written here. Function is nothing but if there is a function from A to B, there should be one and only one image. There should be one and only one image in the set B. Now the first question. Download the PDF before moving on to this. The first question is, which of the following relations are functions? Give reasons. If it is a function, determine its domain and range. First thing they have given, they didn't mention what is a set. Just for our convenience, we are writing the answer in terms of sets. Here the question is 2, 1. That means 2 isn't from one set. This is the domain, this is the range. First element is nothing but the domain, second element is nothing but the range. Therefore 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1, 17, 1. That's what I have represented pictorially. See? 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1 and 17, 1. Each and every element in the set A has only one image in the set B. Does it have only one image? Does it have two images? There is only for 2, there is only one as the image. For 5, only one is the image. For 8, only one is the image. For 11, one is the image. 14, one is the image. 17, one is the image. Therefore, it has only one image. Then it is said to be a function. So, no need to write. For your understanding, I have drawn this. This is the pictorial representation. That's nothing but the arrow diagram. It is nothing but a function. Because what's the reason? They are asking us to give a reason. What is the reason behind that? Each and every element in the domain. Since I have mentioned to be set A, you can write it as A instead of domain also. Each and every element in the domain has a unique image in the codomain. Unique means only one image in the codomain. Therefore, what are the domain? 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. It should be written within the set bracket. The next one, what is the range? 1. The next question. 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6 and 14, 7. Just I am going to represent it pictorially. 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4. Therefore, 8 is related to 4. 10 is related to 5. 12, 6, 14, 7. For each and every element in the set A or the domain has only one image in the codomain, that is set B. Therefore, it is a function. Therefore, it is a function since each and every element in the set A has one and only one image in the set B. What are the domain? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. It should be written within the set bracket. The next one, what is the range? The second element is nothing but the range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next question, the next subdivision.